big news coming in from Andhra Pradesh. TDP chief and former Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu writes to Prime Minister Modi, claims YS Jagan Mohan Reddy's government is tapping phones. Chandrababu Naidu there in his letter alleging tapping of phones of the opposition leaders, lawyers, journalists, activists. TDP chief said YSRCP government is using illegal software which in future can become a threat to national security. These are some heavy allegations coming in from TDP chief Jagan Mohan. In fact, Chandrababu Naidu there lashing out at Jagan Mohan Reddy, saying that he's been tapping phones. Ashish joining us for more details on that. Ashish, Jagan Mohan Reddy accused of tapping phones of the opposition leaders, lawyers, journalists, activists. This is the allegation coming in from TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu. He says that this is illegal and illegal software is being used. This can be a national threat. It could be a threat to national security. Heavy allegations. Where has he picked it up from? What proof does he have to accuse Jagan Mohan of phone tapping?
So, Nabila, this morning, TDP chief and former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu, he issued a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In his detailed, almost 2-page long letter, Chandrababu Naidu alleged that YS Jagan Mohan Reddy led government is in fact not only tapping phone of his phone because he is leader of opposition, but several other opposition leaders' phone are tabbed. He also alleged that journalists, social activists, and several other prominent personalities, the government is tapping their phone, and he made a serious allegation on YS Jagan Mohan Reddy government. In his letter to Prime Minister, leader of opposition and TDP President Chandrababu Naidu also alleged that YS Jagan Mohan Reddy government has in fact acquired several software which can in future become a threat for national security, and he demanded intervention from the central government in this entire episode, Nabila.
Right. Allegations coming in on phone tapping against Jagan Mohan Reddy government there. Chandrababu Naidu, the opposition leader, clearly writing a long letter to the Prime Minister saying that this could be a national threat, a threat to national security, as Jagan allegedly taps phones of lawyers, journalists, opposition leaders, activists. This is a serious threat coming in from the opposition leader, Chandrababu Naidu.